Okay, I'm back. And we're starting to walk for the Dimas Nature Center. I don't know what this is going to look like. The sky looks funny. I hope the lighting is good. If not, I guess I'll have to reshoot. Alright. Dimas Nature Center. Dimas Canyon. Gotta go up the steps. Gotta watch where I'm walking. Oh, look like the gate is locked. Let's go see what this is about. That's what I was afraid of. I looked on the website. It was open. It says construction detour. Okay, well before we do that, let's do a little hike around it. One way. Well, since the gym is closed, I guess I can walk around. Just walk up the road. Maybe we'll see some more horses. I did see some put up here. This area was called Horse Thief Canyon Park. So this is still the area where people can still ride their horses. Since I'm walking, I don't see nowhere else to go. So, watch for horse. I never really walked this way before. I don't think. The nature center is somewhere over here to my right. As you can see, there's a sign there that says watch for horses. Okay, I don't know what this is up here. You can see there are homes up here. Ooh, there's someone over there feeding horses. Oh, I've never been here before. Oh, I see a sign. Dimas Canyon Nature Center. Oh, there's someone in there doing their horses. Oh, I've never been up this far before. Usually I'll go in at the entrance where it says under construction. You can see Dimas Canyon Nature Center. Okay. Sometimes you can hear woodpeckers pecking on wood. It's really a sight to see. Well, I don't know where I'm going. Looks like I'm going the wrong way, but I'm here. Like there's a, looks like a different entrance. So I'll just keep walking until someone says stop. Oh, we'll come back to that. Let's see if I can go into the nature center from here. I guess it is open. Now I've been on this little walkway before, but this is the nature center. That's the entrance. Native plant display. A museum. Beautiful cactus plants. As you can see, face covering required, physical distances required, 6 feet, no pets allowed. Wildlife sanctuary hours. Oh, I'm starting to love this place again. There's a totem pole. This talks about the desert tortoise. This is their habitat. It is. I don't see the turtle. The tortoise. They're inside there. I have a desert turtle myself, but I didn't steal it. But I take care of it. Let's take a look and walk around. Hello there, little deer. Are you the same deer that was there a few years ago? Look like it. Or maybe you could be a relative. Let's start over here first and see what's going on. Oh, there's supposed to be an opossum in here, but maybe it's hiding. Barn owl. There's the barn owl. I think this is one of the 2 or 3 that I saw before. One that seemed to be missing. So that could be a different barn owl. There's one of the gates. To the gate. Oh yeah, let me come back here. He is a mule deer. And they do talk about his habitat. They did make some changes here. The cages look a lot better. Great horned owl. And he is in there. Educational animals. American kestrel. I know what they talk about, but I don't see the kestrel. But I see the horned owl. And pictures that they've caught over the years. If they're injured, they fix them, hopefully, and they put them back out into the wild. Oh, here's a great-tailed hawk. Oh, he's flying away. Hello there, Mr. Hawk. Very good. He's a beautiful animal. Oh, yes. Check him out. Or she. I can't tell if it's a he or she. But isn't that hawk beautiful? Okay. Here's another one. Native animals. Oh, there's another owl in here. And if you can see it, do it justice. But there's no here. Now, okay. They used to have a box here where you put money in. So maybe I have to do that somewhere else. I don't see a money box anywhere. See you later. Here it is. Bird rehab area. Staff only. I guess I'm gonna have to send them a check. Usually you can put your money in something, but I don't want to go into well, I probably can't go into the museum, but I like to put some money someplace. This is always a worthwhile call because our environment is really endangered. It's even endangered to us. A lot of people don't realize it. They don't do like they're supposed to. And now, here it is. So we're gonna leave. I guess I have to drop in $1 or more on the internet. However, let's do some more walking. I've never seen this park before, never walked in here. I guess you can, here it is, gauge your park experience, LA County Parks. I guess you can walk your dogs in here, you gotta pick them up. There's any kind of things going on here. It's all right here. We really need to protect our environment. I want to walk this here, but it's just beautiful seeing some of this going on here. Beautiful trees growing. Very nice. I love it. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Pacific Bell without a phone. Yep, I used to work for them, but as you can see, we all got phones, cell phones now, so therefore we don't have it. Oh, San Dimas Canyon Nature Center. Can't really see the words. Okay, I don't see no donation bin, so we'll walk back. Yeah, I wanted to give them some raw dollars. That means real dollars, and drop it in like a can of soda. A little can or a little square can. But it doesn't have a soda top, but it has a place like you put money in. Like if you're standing out on the street and you're putting money in the bucket. This is great. This is really great. Okay, let me walk on the opposite side of the street. I gotta watch the cars that's coming down. But I don't know if this will do you justice or not, but I can see horses and people saddling horses. So What a great day. There's another peek of leaving the nature center again. Just taking a peek up there. We're walking down. I'm calling it a friendly road. Lots of homes. Yeah. Horse Thief Canyon Park. And as usual, they're gonna make some kind of changes here. Who knows what they're gonna do? Anyway, what's left is very beautiful. So, really nice place. Very nice place indeed. I am really parked in an adjoining park where they can barbecue, sit on the bench. They got areas for kids. Baseball field over there. Or you can just sit down by yourself on a nice day like this and just enjoy yourself. Well, I'm back at my vehicle, and that is a wrap.